Hi, I'm Saliha Mariam and I am going to explain hazards and risks associated with brick kilns. Brick kiln industry is an important small-scale industry of Pakistan. It provides employment to people in rural areas. Health issues of brick kiln workers include injury problems, skin problems, dust problems which causes many diseases, other illness problems, pain problems and food poisoning. The process of brick kilns involve raw materials like clay and water. Power source is mainly coal and human labor. Fire in the brick kilns is a hazard for laborers and it may cause burns to the workers working in the brick kilns. Heavy smoke emitted from the chimneys of brick kilns containing carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, particulate matter and other harmful gases which leads to air pollution and further leading to environmental hazards such as acid rain, global warming and ozone depletion. Ozone depletion and acid rain can cause skin cancer. The waste from brick kilns is dumped into river and it has led to water pollution with putting aquatic life in danger. From the standpoint of occupational health and safety, brick making is rife with hazards to physical health. These include carrying and hauling heavy loads, heat stress, toxic chemicals from the fuel used to fire the kilns, and high levels of smoke, fumes, and dust. These air pollutants are the cause of asthma. There are also hazards to mental and emotional health such as intimidation, abuse, stress due to work insecurity, low pay, and generally poor working conditions. Workers have to carry heavy load and they work in a bad posture which can cause muscle damage and body pain. Last stage is burning, which gives high temperature exposure to labor and it affects the productivity of workers. High temperature is also a cause of dehydration and changes the mood of workers. Laborers have long exposure to dust, which includes silica dust, and this causes pneumonia, asthma, and other lung conditions such as silicosis. Silicosis is a fatal lung disease caused by breathing dust containing crystalline silica particles. There is no cure for silicosis and treatment options are limited. However, the condition can be prevented if measures are taken to reduce exposure. Long-term exposure of dust and crystalline silica may also cause itchy eyes, eye irritation and eye infection in workers. While working in brick kilns, any minor or severe accident may cause due to hitting by bricks. These accidents can cause loss of life or loss of any body part. On a larger scale, brick kilns are notorious for contributing to environmental pollution and reduce air quality to the extent that the health of general population in the areas where they are located is affected. The table shows the hazards to the worker in brick kilns and their impacts and frequency. Workers in brick kilns are exposed to 5 kinds of hazards. These include chemical hazards, physical hazards, biological hazards, psychosocial hazards, and ergonomic hazards. The scale gives the severity of impact of these hazards to the workers and the frequency which gives the how long the exposure occurs. Longer is the exposure of a hazards to the worker, the more severe its impact will be on the workers. Here are some suggestions to reduce the severity of these hazards. Electricity should be provided in the huts of the workers. The bonus should be provided. Wages should be increased by the owners of the brick kilns. Exhaustive and comprehensive legislation is urgently needed for regulating working conditions. People should use masks while working in brick kilns to avoid inhaling dangerous chemicals. Smoke should be filtered before it leaves the chimney. Clean and efficient coal technology should be used where coal is pre-treated for complete combustion. And lastly, chimneys of kilns should be high. Thank you so much for watching.